Bonjour, comment ça va? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great today. So today is going to be a story time while I'm actually going to be coloring one of my sketches I have on my sketchbook. And it's going to be from one of my favorite characters from Demon Slayer, which is Inosuke. And I'm going to be adding a character from the Seven Deadly Sins, which is Hawk. So yeah, let's get into the story. So the story is about that at this place we're actually working, a crew along with myself. We are working at remodeling this house, this big mansion, and since it's a big project, we have been adjusting a few things, painting, remodeling stuff, and it has been taking a little time than usual. And we have been staying there for a while. So when it hit the dark, like when it gets darker, you start hearing a lot of cracking sounds. At the beginning, I thought that at this place, well, it's probably because of the house, the movement, and I was thinking that probably this place is just old or something like that. The stairs starts cracking. So I try not to pay attention. But lately, I've been listening to scary podcasts, like certain podcasts about some real stories and stuff like that. And I've been watching some fan flicks and rewatching scary movies while I've been listening and working. So I believe this is the reasons why I've been hearing a few things, and it's probably because of everything I've been listening to, plus because of October and all that kind of stuff. So I was thinking it was that. So as it was still kind of not putting too much the vibes that it's actually a ghost in this place. So late at night, you start hearing some knockings and some weird sounds in the house. I've been trying to distract myself, not listening to it, not pay attention to it. So the next day, we decided to bring Mika. Master Mika is our red-nosed pit bull, he's also one of my original characters from my manga that I'm working. And we decided to bring Master Mika to the job site because of just giving us company, and the owner knows. So we brought him on site, and I was just minding my own business. When it was getting dark, there was a few things that I noticed about Mika. He was staring straight to a spot, and then he was acting really weird, like things were catching his attention. After that, I'm like, okay, probably there's something in this house, because animals and dogs, cats, they can see things you actually don't see. So I kind of make me confirm that, okay, there is actually something happening. So I decided to not anymore listen to scary podcasts, not to watch anything scary during the job site when I'm working, because it somehow can influence you to start seeing and hear things. And then that just made me understand, okay, I should just slow down a little watching stuff like that. So the little story time is end of the things. I'm not going to be investigating. I'm not going to be going to the attic and trying to see what's going on. Did somebody die? I don't want to know anything about that. That's not the kind of person I am. I like to stay away from that kind of stuff and just trying to ignore it and see if I hear something else, I will just pretend that there is some rat, probably. I hope it is, and that's it. So I've been kind of scared of that house. I still have to go back because there is the remodeling happening. And yeah, there's a few things that have been happening more, but it's just that's the main story so far, what has been happening to me lately. So one of the things I would like to talk about is also that I encourage very much for people to sketch at the same time when you want to draw something. Just make sure to sketch it. Later on, you can go back and color it just like I do. That's why I like to always bring my little sketchbook everywhere. So I had this a sketch in my sketchbook for a while, and I was like, you know what, I want to color it. So one of the things I really like is Demon Slayer, and I like Inosuke. He's a really amazing character. He makes me laugh. It's like you cannot imagine that. He looks so cute inside the board mask, we can say that he have on top of him, and then it's just that he's all buff and all funny, like really wild, and it's really awesome character. I think I hope they can actually come up with more of this character, because I know because of what is happening lately with society and everything, a lot of movies, a lot of anime, a lot of series has been delaying because of due to this situation. So I know from the fact that they were gonna make a movie. I don't know if it's out yet, but they were gonna make a movie of Demon Slayer, and they were gonna release it, but it got delayed. And I think it was gonna be the story continuing when they were in the train. So I hope I get to see it, and they release it here in the United States in the movies theaters. I know that there is some kind of a restriction so far for the social distancing in the theater, but I hope that we can get through all this and actually enjoy back to our time when we used to go to conventions. Oh yes, I love conventions. That's why I really like this month of October. I hope I can do more drawings, more stuff related to October because of outfits and actually getting costumes. So I know I'm going all over the place. It's just that I really love this month, and I hope that I get to share more of my artwork and more of the characters I like, such as Inosuke. And right now, so far, I know I'm drawing Hawk from Seven Deadly Sins, and I just wanted to put these two little pigs in the same. They're not, well, he's not actually a pig, but these two little pigs in the same picture on my same little sketch. So yeah, like going back, I actually encourage you to be sketching. You never know what you're gonna come up with. There's always that whenever you have an imagination, like you want to do a design, they're always the best one because it's out of there, and it's always good to have it written down somewhere so I don't forget, because that what happens a lot. Sometimes you forget, and then whenever you want to go back, you just be like, I had a good idea, but then I didn't do a little sketch and it just flew away. So yeah, so thank you very much you guys for watching this video. I know it was a little story time, a little going back to some characters I like, and I hope I get to see you in my next video. And if you have any suggestion of what should I draw next, just make sure let me a comment, or also check out my Instagram I have, and it's DMC Fine Art as well. So just feel free to just give me some advices which character you would like me to draw in the next video. All right, so I'll let you enjoy the end of the video, and thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. À la prochaine. Take care.